Cars have evolved from being merely a means of transportation. Not only are they now used to make big and bold statements, but they also go a long way to define their owner's personality and style. Although it has become easier to tell a little about someone by the type of car they drive, this isn't the only determining factor. Cool features such as underglow kits play a part too. These artistic lights are beautiful lighting effects attached under the frame of the car after it has been purchased and help to redefine, personalize, and light up the exterior of a vehicle. Essentially, they go a long way in bringing to light the ground under the car and brightly pass across a silent message that boldly sets the driver apart on the road. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best underglow kit. So let's get started. Number 5. Sprite Car Underglow Neon Lights. The Sprite Car Underglow underbody system will have you painting the town 8 different colors. Well, at least it will look that way. These lights don't just shine bright, they shine wide. Protected by flexible rubber tubing, the lights will be able to withstand dust, water, and other debris encountered on the road. These high-intensity LED chips deliver brighter, clearer, and more uniform lighting. They are SMD 5050 LED chips with different multi-color functions. With a new and improved remote control design, individuals can actively control the brightness levels and power options from over 100 feet away. The remote is quite lightweight and easy to operate, making adjustments is practically a breeze. The 4 undercar strips come with 8 preset standard colors for lighting effects, 2 preset jump and fading patterns. The LED lighting has 4 sound active modes that sync with the car's audio system and vibe with the sound produced. This works with a wide range of cars including SUVs, Jeeps, vans, trucks, boats, and motorcycles. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. OPT 710 PC Aura Golf Cart Underglow Kit. As we've noticed, underglow kits are used for a wide range of applications. They are also used for different types of cars and motorbikes. However, these fun and vibrant lights are not only limited to cars. They can be used with golf carts on the golf course too. Yes, golf is known as a high-class, business-class sport. That doesn't mean it doesn't need a little color. Brighten up the golf tracks with the 10PC Aura Golf Cart Underbody Glow LED Lighting Kit. For those who love holiday sports and weekend lounging, these bright and durable lights will definitely switch up the fun. Adjust the modes with a wireless remote or an installable control box. It provides 16 different vibrant colors as well as 4 custom light shows. Place the 10PC tubes wherever you dim fit. They'll fit into the nooks and crannies underneath the car and make it glow. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. LED Glow 6PC LED Underglow Kit. If you really want to get heads turning when you drive by, the LED Glow 6PC multicolor LED underglow light is a sure bet. They are 324 SMD LEDs with a water-resistant tube casing. Set to weather any rain or snowstorm that comes its way, this durable and safe construction is definitely a plus. This way, whenever you're driving powerfully on the highway or off-road tracks, moisture won't get in the way of this cool and vibrant lighting. With extra bright and multicolored options to choose from, never have a dull ride. A wireless remote is included that gives users the freedom to choose from 7 distinct colors, 6 different flashing and scanning modes as well as 2 chase and color cycle modes. This can either be controlled via the 4-button wireless remote or the kit's control box. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. LEDmercy LED Waterproof Underglow Kit. One of the top aims of every driver is to be visible enough for other vehicles, pedestrians, and even animals to see. Glow lights enhance visibility without blindsiding other drivers, since they are positioned under the car. For cars like the Jeep Wrangler, an equally strong, durable, and high-performance undercar light is needed. That's where the LED high-power LED rock lights come in. With 32V and 9W, these white rock lights shine a lot brighter than your average underlight. The road under and around the vehicle becomes much clearer as you drive by. These lights won't just light up the roads for you, but for other vehicles close by that don't have half the lighting these LED rock lights provide. They work great with running lights, brake lights and turn signal lights, enhancing the individual indicators as they come on. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. OPT7 Aura Underglow Kit. Whether you're driving on the highway or on off-road tracks, it's definitely an advantage to be seen. With underglow lights, there's no way your cool vehicle could be missed. The OPT7 Aura Truck/SUV LED Underglow Lighting Kit is for the bold and beautiful at heart. It features a broad spectrum of bold and vibrant colors suitable for a wide range of users. These colors come with different flash modes that can be alternated depending on what you want per time. To make this kit more user-friendly, there are 2 wireless remotes that select the preferred colors, brightness levels, flashing modes and the likes. It takes a simple push of the easy-to-use remote to personalize and customize the underglow effect. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best underglow kit just for you.